Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. Welcome to her Melanin YouTube boutique, where you can go and purchase your very own niche video day planner notepad. Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. Grand Rising, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video that's going to be a little bit different, but I have something super exciting for you guys that I have been holding in, and I am super happy to announce that my niche video day planner notepad is finally here and available, and you can go grab your copy on her Melanin YouTube boutique. Go shop now. The physical copy is $22. The digital copy is $11.11. The digital copy that is $11.11 is 111 pages, and the physical copy is $22 and is 50 pages. But I want to give you a really up close and personal look at your customized niche video day planner notepad. So take a look. So the first thing that you'll notice about your planner is that it comes on a wooden piece, which is very helpful because a lot of the times when you're working at your desk area, or say if you're sitting on the bed, you don't have to worry about getting up and having to get a book or anything like that. This just gives you the comfortability to just sit and write down everything you need anywhere you are. And what I love about this planner is that it is very feminine, comes with a bit of floral. I've attached this very pretty, delicate beaded keychain, as well as some floral decor pieces here. And as you can see here, one of my favorite parts is the fact that it has this glitter border. And then I also added some bling at the bottom, as well as some bling on top, baby. I personally wanted to create a planner and a notepad to really help new YouTubers and existing YouTubers and content creators to organize, strategize, plan, and upload and repeat, so that you consistently make sure that you are writing down and you are building a plan to see results, and you are consistent with that. So the great thing about this planner is that literally when you are uploading your video, there are a number of things that a lot of people don't necessarily take the time to water, right? You have to water your plant in order for it to grow. And one of those things that you have to water is those seeds. And you can't grow unless you plant seeds. And these are your seeds that you're planting when you are writing everything down. You are planting those seeds, you are planting those goals. The great thing about this planner is that when you are uploading your videos, this is what you need. I noticed that when I use my personal planner, I noticed that my channel grew exponentially, and I'll tell you why. I wanted to make sure that when I made this planner with you and I in mind, I wanted to make sure that the focal points were very simple, but very imperative. I wanted to make sure that you focus on optimizing your keywords, make sure that you are customizing your key titles, using SEO. I also wanted to make sure that you have a space where you jot down your video script points, because a lot of the times it is very easy for us to go on a tangent and get off track. So you kind of have this space here, video script points. So here you have the title of your video, where you would just write the title of your video. And if you guys are watching this, I'm not sure if I posted this or not, but it's going to be how I make my notepads to sell. You want to put your published date, and literally this is everything that they ask for when you're uploading your YouTube video in YouTube Studio. Then you put the duration. You can also put, if you want to do a scheduled premiere or publish now, you can have your video scheduled for a future date, or you can publish it at the real time at that time. Then you can put the category of your video. Mine's is going to be DIY. And the great thing about it is that you're able to write down your budget for your video. For example, my budget was $300. I wanted to make sure that I got everything necessary for this video, and I made sure that I stayed under my budget of $300. Now, as you can see here, sponsored deets. I know some of you are probably like, I'm not even at that point to be considering a sponsor. I don't want you to think of yourself as small. I left this space here because you are going to utilize it one day. But for now, it's going to be Her Melanin Pockets, Her Melanin YouTube. Then you can choose your song, and of course when you are uploading on YouTube, you want to make sure that you either have a license for that song or you have a copyright free song. So that's that checkbox there to make sure that you do that. And then a great checklist that I feel that is very important is your pre-upload checklist, and I'm just going to kind of go over that with you. So your pre-upload checklist, make sure that any private info such as your address or mail, etc. is blurred. Anything that you feel, for example, if you're bending over and you notice that after you have uploaded your video that your pants are a bit down, you can blur out that video. So this is kind of a reminder. Any info or anything that you don't want to be seen, make sure that you blur out those things prior to uploading. Secondly, on the checklist is engaging, optimize SEO thumbnail. You want to make sure that you have a thumbnail stopping, timeline stopping thumbnail. Your thumbnail includes the keywords. You want to make sure that your thumbnail is vibrant. You want to make sure that your thumbnail is loud and stands out. You want to make sure your thumbnails are all timeline stopping. Tags in description box and under description box and tags. Now, a lot of the times I see people make this mistake. They'll put tags in their description box and not put tags in their tags, or vice versa. You want to make sure that you do for both. So there is a section underneath the description box that says tags. Make sure that you fill that out as well. Also make sure that you include tags at the end of your description. So both places, make sure you do so. Video has been exported with SEO strategies to optimize search. In my Her Melanin Pocket Camera YouTube University, I teach my students how to land #1 using my secret SEO sauce. So this is just a reminder to make sure that your video has been exported with the SEO strategies to optimize your videos in the YouTube search. Keywords used repeatedly in description box in order to optimize your videos. A piece of my secret SEO sauce is repetition, making sure that you paraphrase your words using those keywords to paraphrase because you want to optimize. Optimizing is key. Voiceover effects, making sure that you include any voiceover effects. Paid promotion, and then at the bottom it asks, is this video made for kids considering the COPA or COPPA Act? And then if you want to add an end screen or outro, if you want to add any cards, and then if you have a collab with someone, it has a section for that where it says collab with, and then here at the bottom it says collab topic. Scheduled film collab, and then a space where you have your items for your videos. And the great thing about this is, as I said before, it's a notepad, so after you are done, it's cardstock, so it's very good, very premium, high quality. You just rip it right off just as a notepad, and it's really pretty because you can actually just are on your desk area, and anytime you are ready to upload your videos, you just come right over here and you make sure that you plan, strategize, and organize using your niche video day planner notepad. Make sure that you shop Her Melanin YouTube Boutique. I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys. I personally feel that this is a staple piece and this is essential because, like I said, a lot of people always say, Ryan, you are so organized. How do you do it? How are you so strategic with your uploads? And literally, you guys, I write everything down. I cannot stress how important it is for your mindset to be in the right space before you see results. And a huge part of my mindset being in the right space is writing everything down, building. In order to grow, you have to plant those seeds. So make sure that you go shop Her Melanin YouTube Boutique and make sure that you grab your 50-page niche video day planner notepad. And I will see you in the boutique. Bye.